Hello friends, this video of making avial is made long back. While writing its script, I thought of asking AI. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked how to make avial a Kerala style dish. So it generated the following recipe. Almost the recipe is right. However, being well versed in the art of preparing this dish, I decided to make a few modifications to the recipe to suit my preferences and ensure it matched the vision I had for the video. The authentic Kerala style recipe is here. The ingredients we need are there in the description box, so you can please refer to there. We have taken 2 cups of mixed vegetables. It could be carrot, bean, drumsticks, raw banana, ashgard, etc. Here we have taken these vegetables that you can see in the video, cut into long pieces. In a large pan or kadai, add the mixed vegetables. Add enough water to cover the vegetables. Cook them until they are almost done but still retain some crunch. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe, and if you like my videos, do give a like. Now add some salt, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. And give it a nice mix. Meanwhile, grind grated coconut, green chillies, ginger and garlic and cumin seeds together to make a coarse paste. You can add a little water if required. In a separate bowl, whisk the yogurt until smooth. While grinding, you can also add turmeric powder. Once the vegetables are cooked, reduce the heat to low. Add the coconut paste directly to the pan and mix well with the vegetables. And add curry leaves. Stir everything together gently, making sure the vegetables are well coated with the mixture. Now add yogurt. Cook on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Be careful not to let it boil or overcook, as the yogurt might curdle. Once the avial is heated through, remove it from the heat and drizzle a teaspoon of coconut oil over the top for added flavor. Serve this recipe hot with steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade Kerala style avial. If you have watched my recipe till here and you are new to my channel, do subscribe, and if you like the recipe, do try. Thank you for watching.